Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is on the motivation. This is especially for the students who would be joining the corporate this year as well as the next year, as well as a message for the juniors, how your preparation should be, what your ultimate aim it should be, so that you can make difference in the lives of the people. Right. So whenever we join some company, we join it as an entry level. And after some years, we may be promoted to the higher level. And if we are competent, if you are competent enough, you might one day become CEO, CTO or CFO or any managing director of the company or something. But remember one thing, the society remember always the leaders. If I ask you a simple question, who was the third or fourth CEO of Google? 99% of the people wouldn't know this. Maybe the people who are working in Google might know. If I ask who founded the Google, our answer would be very simple. Everybody knows it. It means people remember the founders, the leaders. I'm not saying that CEO and CTOs are not the leaders. CEO and CTOs are remembered for one generation, but founders are remembered for generations. Therefore, the competent people will be CEO and CTOs. You should become CEO and CTO of a company. But what next after becoming CEO and CTO of the company? You should become leader. You should start something of your own. It might be very small, that doesn't matter. Right? Remember one thing, averages do not have any place in this world. Failures are remembered because they have tried. But successful people create history by their dedication, devotion. Therefore, I want each one of my students to try and make some difference in the society. It might take you a long period of time, 20 years, 25 years, you might have to do the job or something. You might become CEO of the company, but I do not want any of my students to retire at the highest position and don't do anything rest of the other life. Make some impact to the society. Maybe you might teach students for free. Maybe you might join politics and do something good for our country. It might be anything. Maybe you might start a huge startup, right, where you might generate employment opportunity. It can be social cause, it might be political cause, or it might be economic cause. This is how our country will be taking way forward. This is what the Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Prime Minister, talks about. So my dear students, I do not want you to be only recognized as an employee and you work, and at the end of the day you are not being actually remembered for what you want to be. Therefore, you become CEO of the company, you become CTO of the company. That's my wishes who will be joining. But after becoming CEO and CTO of the company, a question should arise in your mind, and I hope that the question will arise in your mind that time, that what next, what I should become. Now see one thing, those who want to be leaders, those who want to be founders, they take the subjects very seriously. They go into the deep of any subject, any course, and study it properly because they want to lead in that subject. And the people who want only to be employee of that mindset, they would not go into the depth of any subject. They will just say, is this being asked in my interview or not? That is what the preparation level will be. Therefore, this kind of mindset should start from the first year itself, that you want to apply, you want to create change in the society. And remember one thing, averages in this world do not have any place. Failures are remembered because they have tried, but successful people create history by their hard work and dedication. Remember Thomas Alva Edison, who did repeatedly trying till he got the success. Therefore, whatever your area of interest, it might be social, political or economical, after 15 years, 20 years of your work experience in some corporate, I want each one of you to do some cause for the society. It might be a very small thing that doesn't matter, but that should be your identity. This is what the Atmanirbhar Bharat, again I am repeating. I hope you might take this in a positive sense, and all the best for your future endeavors. Joining, all the best. Take care. Good.